Have you ever pondered over the immense power that lies within you, the power to save a life? Yes, you heard it right. It's the power of blood donation. Imagine a scene from a regular evening on the 7th of March, 2024. Santosh Lakhan Jawa, a concerned son, reaches out for help. His father, admitted to Vinoba Bhave Hospital, Selvas, is in dire need of O+ blood. It's 6 in the evening, and time is of the essence. The request finds its way to the Manav Seva blood donation group. As the evening unfolds, discussions are in full swing. Sunil Malavkar and Sunil Lodha, among others, join in the conversation. The consensus? Blood can be provided, but not until the morning. A glimmer of hope in a sea of uncertainty. Fast forward to the next morning. The request message is shared again, and this time, the response is overwhelming. Messages flood in, each one a beacon of hope. Amongst them emerges a hero, Vijay Karpade. Without a second thought, he arranges for the blood donation personally. In today's fast-paced world, where everyone is caught up in their own whirlwind of life, isn't this an extraordinary act of kindness? The day comes to an end with gratitude. Lahanu Bona, the son, expresses his heartfelt thanks to the group members and all the generous souls who stepped in to help. But let's not forget, this is no isolated incident. Every day, countless lives are saved, thanks to the selfless act of blood donation. And the beauty of it is, anyone can be a part of this noble cause. So, the next time you find yourself wondering about the significance of blood donation, remember this story. Remember the power that lies within you, the power to give someone a second chance at life. And remember, when it comes to saving lives, every drop counts.